Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable always on display on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app, then scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now just tap on always on display. Now from here just enable the toggle to enable always on display. Now if you tap on AOD styles, you can change the style of the always on display, just like that. Now just tap on apply to apply the style you selected. Now if I lock our smartphone, you can see that we have successfully enabled always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable always on display on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.